A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court denied a request from Kim Davis, a former Kentucky county clerk, to overturn the landmark 2015 decision that legalized same-sex marriage nationwide. This ruling comes at a time when the court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, is navigating a politically charged landscape following its reversal of abortion rights in 2022. The court's decision to reject Davis's appeal allows the historic ruling in Obergefell v. Hodges to remain intact, ensuring that same-sex marriage continues to be recognized as a constitutional right across the United States. Kim Davis became a controversial figure in 2015 after she refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, citing her religious beliefs as an apostolic Christian. Following her refusal, Davis was sued by a gay couple, David Ermold and David Moore, who argued that her actions violated their constitutional right to marry as established by the Obergefell ruling. In 2022, a district court ordered Davis to pay over $360,000 in damages and legal fees, a decision that she appealed to the Supreme Court. Davis's legal team argued that the First Amendment's protection of religious freedom should shield her from liability, claiming that issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples would conflict with her beliefs. However, lower courts consistently ruled against her, emphasizing that public officials cannot invoke personal religious beliefs to deny constitutional rights to others while performing their official duties. The Obergefell v. Hodges ruling, which was decided by a narrow 5-4 margin, marked a historic victory for LGBTQ rights in the United States. Written by now-retired Justice Anthony Kennedy, the decision underscored the importance of equal dignity in the eyes of the law for same-sex couples seeking marriage. Kennedy's opinion articulated that the hope of gay individuals to marry should not be condemned to loneliness, affirming that the Constitution grants them the right to participate in one of civilization's oldest institutions. The rejection of Davis's appeal is seen as a reaffirmation of the court's commitment to uphold marriage equality, despite the conservative majority's previous rulings on other contentious issues. Legal experts had expressed skepticism about the chances of Davis's petition being accepted, but many LGBTQ advocates remained on high alert, fearing that the court might revisit the Obergefell decision under the guise of religious freedom. The court's decision also reflects broader societal attitudes towards same-sex marriage. According to a Gallup poll, more than 2/3 of Americans support the ruling, although support among Republicans has seen a notable decline from a peak of 55% in 2021 to just 41% today. This shift in public opinion, coupled with the ongoing debates surrounding religious freedom and LGBTQ rights, continues to shape the political landscape. Davis's case has drawn significant attention from various advocacy groups, including the Human Rights Campaign, which released a statement following the Supreme Court's decision. Kelly Robinson, the organization's president, emphasized that public officials must respect the constitutional rights of all individuals, including those in the LGBTQ community. The ruling serves as a reminder that refusing to uphold these rights carries consequences. As of now, there are approximately 823,000 same-sex couples legally married in the United States, with nearly 600,000 of those unions occurring in the years following the Obergefell decision. These couples are raising around 300,000 children under the age of 18, illustrating the profound impact of marriage equality on families across the nation. While the Respect for Marriage Act, signed into law by President Biden in 2022, provides additional protections for same-sex couples, it does not guarantee that every state will issue marriage licenses in the event that Obergefell is overturned. This uncertainty continues to fuel concerns among LGBTQ advocates who fear that hard-fought protections could be rolled back. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Obergefell ruling represents a significant moment for LGBTQ rights in the United States, reinforcing the principle that all individuals deserve equal treatment under the law. As the court navigates an increasingly polarized political landscape, the implications of this ruling will undoubtedly resonate for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.